we're going to try the LED turn signal brake lights from Sylvania. Picked these up at AutoZone for 20 bucks, and we're going to just do an A/B test, right? So I'll throw one into the right hand side here on the Sportster and see how much brighter it is in the stock. It should be pretty simple to take this lens out. So you just kind of pry it like that. I'm shooting this with my phone, so I'm just gonna be real careful. There we go. It's out. And then I should be able to take the bulb off. You shouldn't touch light bulbs with your bare fingers because the oils will make hot spots. So I'm just gonna hold it with my glove and pop that out like that. And I'll put the new bulb in. So I'm going to set this down for a second. Okay, here's the Sylvania 1157. I'm just going to put that in. This should be all right. Turn it. Are you doing it the right way? So here I am. This way. Oh. So I got the wrong bulb. Let's see. That doesn't fit. That's a bummer. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Ah, here we go. Nope. It's a no-go. What doesn't fit? Well, to try again.